Hey, let's talk about something big happening in hiring right now. AI is starting to help companies interview people, and it can make hiring faster and sometimes fairer. Welcome to our HR chat, where we learn how work is changing. Today we're talking about two things: remote working from home or anywhere, how AI is changing hiring. I spoke to someone who builds hiring technology, and here's the simple version of what's going on. AI is moving into hiring fast. Lots of big companies are already using generative AI in HR. Recruitment is one of the biggest areas because AI is really good at writing job adverts, sending messages, scheduling interviews, sorting lots of applications. And hiring is harder now. There are lots of jobs, lots of applicants, and lots of competition for the best people. Companies can't just post a job and wait anymore. They have to go out and find the right people, even people who are not looking for a new job. So what did this company build? They built an AI interviewer. Here's how it works in simple words. You give the AI a job description, what the job needs. The AI can then do a live conversation interview, like a real chat. It asks questions and listens to your answers. If your answer is too short, it can ask follow-up questions like, tell me more, or what did you do exactly? They said they used it internally first because they were getting thousands of applications and it was impossible for humans to interview everyone. And they learned something important. Older screening methods felt awful for candidates, like long tests that take hours, one-way video interviews that feel cold and unfair. So they tried to make the AI interview feel more like a real conversation. What happens after the interview? After the interview, the hiring team gets a report that can include a summary of what the candidate said, a score for each question based on the job, needs a transcript, the written words, and sometimes the recording, so humans can review it. For technical jobs, they even described an AI that can do a live coding task and give feedback while the person is coding, like a smart helper.
Does AI reduce bias?
The builder said AI can sometimes reduce bias because it can focus on what someone says and can do instead of judging things like where they come from, what they look like, their background. That's the goal. But here's an important truth. AI is not automatically fair. If it's trained on unfair data, it can learn unfair patterns. So AI can reduce bias only if it's designed carefully and checked often. What about risks? Yes, there are risks. They shared a few real concerns. One, some jobs may change. AI can make people faster at work. That can mean fewer people needed for some tasks. More focus on higher level work. New skills will be needed too. Safety and speed. Tech is moving really fast, and sometimes people rush to build things quickly instead of safely. That's risky.
3. Trust. If people don't know when AI is used, or they don't understand how decisions are made, they won't trust the system. So we need rules.
How do they keep quality and fairness? They talked about using clear instructions for the AI. Basically, do this, don't do that, a scoring guide, a rubric, based on the job description, lots of testing and trial and error, checks to make sure results still make sense. And the best rule is this: humans should still review important decisions. AI can help, but people must stay responsible. The big takeaway: AI is changing recruitment in a big way. AI can interview more people faster, reduce boring admin work, help candidates get quicker responses, help recruiters focus on real relationships. But AI must be used responsibly, check for fairness, protect privacy, keep humans involved, be clear and honest about how AI is used. And honestly, it's an exciting future, but we have to be smart about it.